Notice something new on your Instagram posts? Instagram's rolling out public share counts, and it's about to change the way you see engagement. Let's break down what this means for you. Instagram is testing public share counts on regular posts, not just Reels. This isn't just a random tweak. Instagram is joining the trend of making engagement metrics more transparent, similar to TikTok and Facebook. Share counts are about to become a key metric for measuring influence and reach. It's like a new badge of honor, showing how much people care about your content. Here's how it works. When someone shares your post, the count goes up by 2, one for the sender and one for the recipient. Share it in a group chat, the count jumps by however many people are in that chat. Right now, this feature is only available on the mobile app, and it's only visible for public accounts. If your account is private, your share count stays hidden, even if your post is shared. But here's the downside. Not every share is a compliment. Some might share your post for less positive reasons, which can lead to second-guessing and stress. So, Instagram's new share count feature is a double-edged sword. Use it to gain insights, but don't let it define your content's value. What do you think about Instagram's new share count feature? Let us know in the comments. And if you're looking to boost your shares, check out our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.